Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha Khalid and welcome to my channel Math Madness by Aisha Khalid. So in the previous three videos, we've discussed addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of fractions. Now in this video, we'll holistically discuss, basically focus on multiplication, division and word problems of it. But that will also involve couple of concepts of addition and subtraction. So it's like going to be a holistic or a wrap up of fractions. So let's start. So I'll just quickly go over a couple of questions from this video. From these two questions, we will not discuss all the parts and I'll leave it to you to do these questions for practice. If you have any problems, you can comment down in my video below. So let's do the D part. The D part says 21 multiplied by 2 whole 1 upon 3. Convert it into an improper fraction. Multiply and then plus. 21 into 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is a 7 upon 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 7. 7 into 7 is a 49. So that's going to be my answer. Let's do part J. 15 upon 8 into 4 upon 3. Let's do simplification first. 3 times 1, 3 times 5. 4 times 1, 5, 4 times 2. 5 upon 2 converted into an improper fraction. It becomes a 2 whole 1 upon 2. Let's do question number 2. Question number 2, part F. 45 divided by 18 upon 11. You convert division sign into multiplication and reciprocate this fraction. 3 times 6. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2. 3 times 5. 5 into 11 is a 55 divided by 2. Long division to convert it into a mixed fraction. 3 times 7 is a 14. 127 whole 1 upon 2 is going to be my answer for this. Let's discuss another part. For example, K. 9 whole 2 upon 9 divided by 9. 9 times 9 is an 81. 81 plus 2 is an 83 upon 9. Multiply by reciprocated. 83 upon 81, this cannot be simplified. In the fractions cannot be simplified. So I went ahead with multiplication. 80 times 1 times is 81. 81 times 1 is an 81. And 2 is the remainder divided by 81. So this is going to be my answer. Let's take the L part. The L part says 2 whole 2 upon 15 divided by 1 whole 23 upon 25. Convert them into mixed fractions. 15 into 2 is a 30. 30 plus 2 is a 32 upon 15 divided by 25. 25 plus 23 gives you a 48. Mental maths and tables need to be strong. 32 upon 15. Convert this into a multiplication. 25 upon 48. 5 times 3, 5 times 5. 4 times 8, 4 times 12. 4 times 2, 4 times 3. 5 into 2 is a 10. 3 into 3 is a 9. Convert it into a mixed fraction. It becomes a 1 whole 1 upon 9 as my answer. Now let's discuss a couple of word problems. Sarah spent, alright, so we are basically following Think Maths 8th edition, and this is exercise 4B of fractions, I believe. I'm not sure about the exercise number, so I might be doing questions in a little different order. Now, Sarah spent a total of 8 hours volunteering last year. Given that her visit to a care home made up 4/7 of the total time spent on volunteering, she spent visiting the, now it says 4/7 of the total time. Of means multiply. 4/7 of. This is the total time that she has spent volunteering. So you cannot simplify this. 32 upon 7. 7 times 4 is a 28. So you're left with 4. So you spend a total of 4 whole 4 upon 7 hours on visiting care home. Remember that the last statement is very important to have conclusion to the answer. Okay, Cheryl cut 9/10 kg of butter into 12 slices of equal mass. She then used 2 whole 1 upon 4 slices of butter to bake cupcakes. What is the total mass of butter Cheryl used for the cupcakes? Alright. 9/10 kg into 12 slices. So divided by 12 to find out the mass of one slice. Multiply by 1/12. 3 times 3, 3 times 4. So it becomes a 3/40 is the mass of one slice. You used 2 whole 1/4 slices of butter. So 2 whole 1/4 multiply by 3/40. Convert this into an improper fraction. 8 plus 1 is a 9/4. So it's not actually, it cannot be simplified any further. So we can just multiply 27/4 times 4, 160. So this kg of butter Cheryl has used for the cupcakes. Just doing a quick recap. So this is total mass of butter, which has to be divided into 12 equal slices. So 9, 10 divided by 12. So each slice has a mass of 340 kg. Now you used 2 whole 1/4. So 2 whole 1/4 of 340 comes out to be 27/160 kg of butter that Cheryl has used for making cupcakes. After spending 1/3 of his pocket money on food, so he is spending 1/3 on food. 1/7 of the remaining. What fraction is remaining? 2/3 is remaining. And 2/3 ka 1/7 is what you are using on the pen. So if I say, can I say 2/21 is spent on the pen? Imran had 240 left. Now let's find out what is the total amount that he has spent. 1/3 plus 2/21, making the denominator same. 7 of this is 2, so it becomes a 9/21 that he has spent on food and pen. Now Imran had 240 left. So this is what he has spent. Like 9 out of 21 has been spent. How many portions are left? 21 minus 9 is a 12. 12/21 is left. And you can say 12 portions represent how much money? 240. Because 240 is the actual amount left, and these are the 12 portions in a fraction that are left amount money. 21 portions represent the total amount of money which we have to find out. 21 into 240 divided by 12. So 21 into 20 becomes rupees 420 is what is the total amount of money Imran had. So how much pocket money did Imran have at first? So Imran had 420 pocket money at first. Let's take another example. At a concert, 3/4 of the audience are adults. Okay, so in an audience, 3/4 are adults. So I'm assuming the rest of them are children. So the fraction of children will become 1/4. 2/5 of the children are girls. We have girls, we have boys. 2/5 are girls. So it's better to make the data. What fraction of the audience are girls? So 1/4 children, and out of that 2/5 are girls. So what do? We multiply these fractions. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, it becomes a 1/10. 1/10 of the audience are girls. Now, if there are 90 girls, how many boys are there in the audience? Alright, so can I say 1 represents 90 girls? How many are boys? 3/5 are boys. Let's find out what fraction of the audience are boys. 3/20 are boys of the audience. So 1 1/10 of the audience are girls. That means 1 represent 90 girls. 10 is the total audience. That means the total audience is 900. Now out of those 900, 320 are boys. 0, 0 cancels out. 2 times 1, 2 times 45. 40 times 3 is the 135. So 135 out of total audience, 135 are boys.